Hi everyone, this is Brian with BS Tech Networks. Today I'm going to show you a video tutorial on how to manage your picture gallery. We make a lot of websites where there's only one gallery, and some of the other videos that we have made go into a lot more detail on how to manage actual galleries, create galleries, albums, and those kinds of things. So this video tutorial is simply going to show you how to add and remove pictures from your one gallery that's already on your website. If you need the picture gallery system, please feel free to reach out to us and we'll be happy to assist you with getting it set up on your website. For this video tutorial, I have already logged into the admin panel. If you have not received the username and the password information for your website, let us know and we will also supply that to you as well. So in the admin panel on the left side, you can see something that says Next Gen Gallery. When you hover over it, you have a lot of options. Now for the purposes of this video, we're just going to do adding and removing of pictures. So I'm going to hit Manage Galleries. And this will show you the one gallery that's already on the site. You can see I have just named it Gallery. If we click on it, it will show you all of the thumbnails for this individual website. So you can see those. If you just want to delete one picture, the delete option is right here. So you just hover your cursor over it, click delete. But if there's multiple pictures that you want to delete, there's check boxes here. So you can put check boxes in the ones that you want to delete, like so. After you have all of them selected that you want to delete, you'll have an option up at the top that says Bulk Actions. Click on this, and then you'll hit Delete Images, and then you'll hit Apply. When you hit Apply, all of those pictures that you have selected will then be deleted. So that covers how to delete pictures. The next step is how to add pictures. Over here on the left side, you can see it says Add Gallery/Images. Let's click on that. And then it asks us, create new gallery, or if we click the box, we choose the gallery that we've already created. So I'm going to do that. So I'll click Gallery, and then you have an option down here that says Drag Image and Zip Files here, or Browse. So I always just click the Browse button. When you hit the Browse button, your computer will come up on the screen and it will show you, your folders that you have. So in this case, I can click on any of these folders. I'm going to click on this one here, and these are some pictures of a truck dealership or a auto body shop I'm working on. But if you click on these pictures, you can do one at a time, or if you hold down the Control key on your keyboard, so let's hold down the Control key and click. And you will see as you do this, you can select multiple pictures. So Control key and click. So I have got these pictures selected. Now I'm going to hit the Open button, and then it will show them down here. So 6 files selected, and it shows you the pictures that you're going to add. And then you click the Upload button. After you hit the Upload button, it will give you a status and it will show you the progress of uploading the pictures. Now for this website, I'm actually not going to click the Upload button, but that is how you would add pictures to your gallery. Well, that covers how to add and remove pictures from the picture gallery system on your website. Again, if you do not have the login information for your admin panel, please reach out to me and I'll be happy to provide that. Or if you have any other questions on this video or any other questions on your website, also reach out to me. And this again is Brian at BS Tech Networks. Thank you for watching.